What's good, guys? Ethan here. Today I'm going to be doing a oil change. I'm going to repaint this front lip. Stick around if you want to see the whole process. So let's get it. Alright, so I got the wheels off, got the front bumper off, it's right there. And I put my old headlight covers on my newer headlights. Looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna keep them. Tightening it up. Alright, so before I sand this down, I'm going to clean it off with some soapy water. It's just dish soap and water to act kind of like a degreaser. I'm going to go around and put some self-tappers in spots like this. Like right there, right up there, of course in the center. This one's okay. And on the backs of these too, like right up there. So that it all stays as one piece, and I don't got to worry about it falling off. Alright, so I'm going to start sanding. I have 800 grit in some warm water, letting it chill out here. It's pretty cold out here. I don't know if you could tell. Alright, what's good, guys? I'm gonna wrap this other headlight, then I'm gonna throw them on the car and see how they look. Alright, there you go. It's all done. 10 minutes, not bad. I'm gonna get some LEDs for the side marker lights. This one's out totally on this side right there. I do like the stock headlights better now that I see it again. I think it looks better. I think it'll look great when I have the other halos in. But here's a look at these color shift halos that I got from Oracle. So with these lights, it's pretty easy to use. You can pick any color, and as you can see, red, green, blue, white. Also, there's like this fade. It's called fade selector. You can do all the colors. You can do red fade. It kind of just turns on and off. Green fade, blue, you know, they got all the colors. Red and green, like Christmas. red and blue like you're the Popo, and then green and blue if you're a Seahawk fan.